have Michelle here. Hi! We're going to give a blowout to. So let me get myself comfortable, bring her up to my height. I'm going to first start by applying some heat protector into her hair. Look at you. Got a ton of hair. You've seen it before. Comb the product through to make sure it's evenly distributed. Yeah. To make sense. The product that you use? Oh, camera. Okay. And why do you recommend it? I just find it to be the most effective at keeping the flyaways at bay, giving the hair shine. Okay. And moisture and all that fun stuff. Kind of necessity. Okay, so we're going to section your hair. Where do you part? Center?
Usually the center or sometimes off to the side.
What kind of a mood are we in tonight?
The center would be great.
Okay.
Yep.
You like a perfect line or you want it a little shaggy?
Shaggy.
You got it, please.
Do you always ask that though before because there's different techniques and ways of
You're going to learn over time when you get your hair done. It's always going to come out like a blow dry.
Okay.
There's 150 other ways that that particular person's doing it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
No. So are you just going to blow it out straight or is there different ways of
What would you like? Do you want a little curl on the end?
Yeah, I would like that, yeah. Not too foofy, but maybe more
You want
like
it
a
sleek,
wave.
but
Yeah,
just a little
exactly.
curl, a little bend.
Perfect.
All right, you got it. I can do that.
So how many sections do you need to find it? It doesn't matter? Yeah, okay. Depending on how much hair they have, right?
Right. Like you have a ton of hair, but you're going to see with this Dyson.
Okay.
It's going to cut your time literally in half.
Okay.
Which is an awesome, awesome thing.
So you use this personally on yourself and your clients or just
This
your...
is just for my clients.
Yeah, okay.
All right. So for her hair length and for what she's going for, I'm going to use a large round brush. And we're going to use the highest heat setting and the highest blowing setting. Always want to dry the root first. Lots of tension on the root, and she wants a nice sleek blowout. How quiet it is.
Yeah! That's incredible. I think I saw this actually on Facebook.
The buzz feed, I think
Yeah.
that is.
Okay.
They weren't that impressed.
Yeah, it is. It's actually so much more quiet and light. Yeah. How long have you had it for?
Like 2 months now.
2 months, okay. So for my type of hair, how long would it take?
45 minutes to an hour.
45 minutes to an hour, okay. Yeah.
We're now polishing her ends so that she has a little curl.